How do I use the HBO Max affiliate program in order to earn money? So in here, what you're gonna do is get through any sort of browser. Let's open my Google and in here search for HBO Max affiliate program. So after searching for that, this is the first link that you will be opening from HBO Max official. So simply tap on that one, and in here this is the actual page. So if your reason do support it, you'll get the option of sign up. Simply tap on that one, and then you can get along with the process of how you will be able to sign up for HBO Max affiliate programs. After signing up, you will be sent to your information will be sent to the HBO Max, and if you are approved, then you can now grab your custom tracking links and promotional banners in order to embed in your movies, reviews, or pop culture content, and you'll earn a flat bounty commission every time someone uses your link in order to purchase a new Max subscriptions. So yeah, this is how you will be able to use the HBO Max affiliate program in order to earn money.